up, beautiful dreamers, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. So today's video is a haul, and y'all know I love me a good haul, and not only a good haul, a good affordable haul, so you can actually haul a bunch of things. In today's video, I'm partnering with Voogueme glasses, and I am so excited to be partnering with them. Thank y'all so much. I have heard such good things about these frames, and not only are they affordable, beautiful, cute, stylish, chic frames, if you need your prescription put into these frames, into these glasses, you can do that. Or if you're like me and you don't need a prescription, you can put the blue light blocking lenses in them. And I am so excited. I am obsessed with blue light blocking glasses. I have to stop buying them. I have so many different pairs, but I love them. So let's get into this haul because I know y'all ready to see some of the cute frames that I picked out. Let's get into it. So first things first, because y'all know I love y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know that Voogueme already sent over a discount code for all of my amazing viewers. So go ahead and get your wish list together, throw some things in the cart, because when you see these glasses, you are gonna want to get them. And you don't have to feel bad about it because you're gonna get a discount. So of course I'm gonna have the discount down below in the description, but I'm also gonna put it here on the screen for you. So y'all definitely check that out. Thank you ahead of time if you do choose to use that code, because it is an affiliate code with me. And y'all don't have to, but you know, it will help your girl out and it will help you out too. So let's go on to the first pair. So this first pair of glasses I am so excited about because I love this shape of glasses and I always gravitate towards them. So of course I had to pick them out. And this is called the Retro, or just Retro on their website. So I'll try to link them down below so you guys can find them quickly. I'm gonna try to avoid the glare as much as possible with all these lights and everything. But I love this kind of glasses. Like the shape just really works well for my face. I have really big eyes and high arched eyebrows. So it just really works well with all of my features. I love how it's kind of like a little bit of a cat eye, but not really. And the details on these glasses are so cool. If you can see at the top, it's like got a little bit of gray right there and these little gold accents. Anything with the gold accent, I am down. Gold is my go-to color, or like accent metal color. So anything with gold, I love it. And it has kind of like this mustard brownish earth tony color, if you guys can see that little detail right there and right there. And then at the bottom it just kind of has like this tortoise kind of pattern. I just think these glasses are so pretty. And of course they have the blue light lens in there. I am obsessed with these glasses. I'm probably gonna just wear these around just because I think I look like very stylish and very chic. These are probably my favorite out of the whole bunch, like hands down. They are just fabulous. So this next pair is a little bit different for me. This is not something that I usually like gravitate towards, but I wanted to try this out because they were so cute, and they're called the Skado, or the Skado. They're really giving me like Harry Potter vibes. I think these are just so adorable. It's got like a kind of an octagon, I guess, shape to it. These little details, if the camera will pick it up, it has like kind of this like, kind of like florals to me, but maybe not. I just think that is so cute. And this black frame is like everything. I know I said I'm a gold girl and I love my little gold accents, but this black frame is giving. It's giving what it's supposed to have gave. I just think these glasses are so cute and so different. It's not something I would usually pick for myself because, like I said, I have big eyes and I cannot wear like little bitty frame glasses because I look like a robot. It just looks weird and off-putting. So I'm gonna warn y'all ahead of time, like most of these, pretty much all these glasses right now are gonna be like a larger frame because I love a big, glamorous, dramatic glasses. But these are just too cute. They're giving me my Harry Potter moment. House Gryffindor, if you didn't know. So yeah, these are just too cute. Very casual. I could see myself wearing these at a coffee shop, at a little cafe, editing my videos. I love these so much. These next frames are something that I definitely gravitate towards. I love this frame shape. It is just so big and dramatic and glamorous. And these are called the Elektra. And these frames, like I said, are just big and dramatic and glamorous. And I love this, like the little detailings here with the gold on the sides. And I just love the transition of the different color. It's kind of like a clear, like mauve-y pink kind of color. And it really just contrasts from the frames, which is really cool, instead of just like the standard brown that people normally do. It's got a little bit of a tortoising here, which I think is really cool. And they're just big and dramatic. I can throw these on and just just feel fabulous. They're so huge. And like I said, I love me some big glasses. So yeah, these are also gonna be one of my go-to. Just throw them on with some jeans and a t-shirt and just feel glamorous. Y'all, this next pair, I am probably going to wear these out this spring. They are so cute and dainty and girly, and they are called Faith, or the Faith glasses. Y'all, these are just too cute. It's giving Hidden Figures. It's giving Taraji P and Hidden Figures. These are just so cute. Now these are retro to me. I would have called these the retro, but I guess I could see somebody named Faith wearing these. They're everything. Y'all know I love this shape. A little bit of cat eye right there, and the gold, of course, the gold accents. These are everything. These are so cute to me. They make me feel like a proper little lady. I could see myself wearing these with my floral skirt, some little peep toe heels, and a cute little tank top and cardigan. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear these out because I don't have a lot of white, but I could see it popping with a cute little outfit, maybe some white accents. I'm not a big white girl because I make a mess all the time. And I love the cat eye because you can wear them like with your hair down, but also with a good updo. It's just giving, right? It's y'all see this, y'all, I'm not crazy, right? This is too cute to me. I love these frames. Oh, with like a red lip. Oh yes, like a, oh, I see it. I'm envisioning the outfit right now. These are so cute. Yeah, you will definitely see these. This next pair, these are my auntie glasses. They are giving me like rich auntie vibes, and I am here for it. These are called the Galarza. Galarza, yeah, don't that sound like an auntie name? Like Titi Galarza, like Auntie Galarza, Tia Galarza. I love it. These aren't they giving like rich auntie vibes? Like the auntie that has her ish together, like she don't have no kids and she's like really organized, like she's planning the family reunion, she has her clipboard, she's calling everybody. I love how these are like just a black frame. If the camera will pick up like the glitter, it's black, but it has like that little glitter accent at the top and the bottom. I think that is just too cute. Cause it's like casual, but it's got a little something to it. Like you can throw on like, it's giving me, okay. The Beyonce Diva video where she's walking up and she has on like her little black leather jacket, her little white t-shirt, her black skinny jeans and some heels. I could see these glasses with that outfit. That's what it's giving me, yeah. And I ain't mad at it. I love these glasses. These are my, I'm the Together auntie glasses. And I ain't mad at it. Now these next frames, y'all. You have to see them. These are called the hillaries. The hillaries. When you see how they're spelled, you'll know why I said it like that. But y'all, do I even have to say much about these? Just look at them. Just look at the detail. Look at the gold, with the gold, like they're like there, but they're not there. These are everything. I love these. I'm going to wear these are also like a springtime glasses for me. Yeah, I'm gonna wear these out. And they're a little bit smaller than I'm used to, like for my eye size, I think, but it just works. The geometric like lines, the thin lines, it's everything. I love it. Again, a nice little updo. I could see these with like some straight hair or like really big curly hair and some big hoops. Oh, some big gold hoop. Or yeah, big. I was gonna say some gold door knockers, but no, that might be too much. I'm thinking really big, just subtle hoop, not subtle. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. I'm sorry, that's one of my favorite sayings. But yeah, just a really big gold hoop to kind of accent like the thin gold lines. Yeah, if you can't tell, I love these as well. These are just fun to me. I had to get these because they remind me so much of like summer, hanging out by the pool. I love these. These are called the sturgis, and this color is just everything. Can't y'all see me sitting by the pool, editing some videos, writing some notes, making some content? These are so cute. cute to me. And of course, they're huge, like I like them. I love that kind of like jelly, kind of clear, but it's still got a little color to it. You know, these remind me of like the little jelly shoes we used to wear back in the day. These are too cute to me. Yeah, these, I'm gonna wear these out this summer with some bright, cute, floral, tropical patterned skirts and dresses. Yeah, these are too cute. And I just love that random little like line detail, because they could be just like a basic normal glasses, and then it's the little details, you know, the little details that work. And they're also giving me like a cool girl version of Urkel. Like, I'm seeing Urkel, but like fly Urkel. It's like each pair of glasses gives me like a different personality. I love it. And these are just cool, fun. Yeah, I'm gonna wear these out this summer. Now this last pair, y'all, I saved these for last because this is normally not something that I would pick for myself, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. And when I saw these, they just spoke to me. They said something to me. These are called the siennas, y'all. Don't I look like a fancy businesswoman? Don't I look like I'm finna walk into a meeting with my clipboard and tell somebody to go do this thing, and you're assigned to this and you're assigned to that, and I'm just gonna be in my office drinking mimosas. These are so cool to me. So these are like an off-white kind of color. It's not like stark white. These are kind of like an ivory, like a creamy white. I love the detail up here. It's just so cool to me. It just looks creamy. It reminds me of like coffee, like a latte or something. It's different for me. It's big, which you know, you gotta have the big glasses, but this is something different for me, but not too different to where I feel uncomfortable. Like, I could work with this, and I'd probably wear this with like big hair, or let's see, maybe an updo. Ooh. Oh yes, or like a big hat. Yes, I see this with like, you know those big floppy hats that people like wear to the beach? Yes, a big floppy hat and these glasses. Yeah. I see that for myself on vacation. So that is it, y'all. That is my haul from Voogueme. Thank you so much again, Voogueme, for partnering with me on this video. I had so much fun. I love trying out glasses. I have the biggest collection of glasses. This is only gonna add to it. I am so happy. Let me throw on my babies real quick, because I am feeling these, and I'm gonna close out the video in these. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Definitely go check out those glasses. They have so many options, and especially if you need like a cute little frame for your everyday wear prescription, check them out. Of course, check out that code DREAMER. It's gonna be down below in the description as well, so y'all can check them out and get a little discount, because we all love to save a little, we love to save our little coins over here. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody who you know may enjoy this video. If y'all like what y'all saw today, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Y'all don't forget to follow me on my social media and everything like that. It's all linked down below for y'all. And thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.